the moment. There are other ways to build functions. So we've seen naming a function and defining it. We've seen an anonymous lambda. Let's look at another very useful way that Haskell has, and that is a so-called section. So I think I had some nice slides about that. So I'm just hopping over some of the things we've just looked at. Okay, it gives me an opportunity to stretch my back a bit. There's a shorthand for building functions from operators. So remember, an operator is a two-argument function, and the arguments of an operator are written on either side of it. The symbol plus is an operator, you put its arguments on either side. Haskell has a very neat trick for building functions by taking an operator and providing one, but not both, of the arguments. So if you have an operator with one argument, that is a function which is waiting for its other argument. So, for example, plus 1 is the function which adds 1 to its argument. So the left-hand side of the plus operator is missing, and that's the parameter of the function. The less than 0 is also a function which tests whether its argument is less than 0. This also works on both sides of the operator. So, for example, a 0 less than is also a function. It's the function which tests whether its argument is greater than 0. So we can think of this as being, if you have an operator, this funny symbol is an operator, then this function is defined this way, and this function is defined this way. Now, it turns out it would be tempting to write something like this, to build a function which multiplies its arguments by 2 and then adds 1. And unfortunately, we can't do that with sections. So this way of building functions, so-called sections, is not that general. So for something like this, we would need a lambda expression. Any questions? Pretty intuitive, rather neat notation. Okay, so what that means is that we can define this function without a lambda. Let me just take a copy of it for posterity. And we can define it by, it's the function not equal to new, we provide the function not equal to new line to take 1.